Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. Back with another video a day till this channel hits 100K. This is now video, I think, 48. It's been a grind, but I am out here at Roadrunner Harley Davidson. This is out West Phoenix, quite a bit west actually. And this is Adam Sandoval's Great American Convoy, where he's riding around to a bunch of dealerships across the country. I'll post them all. There's a link in the description down below. You can see where they're going, the routes they're taking. But it doesn't matter what bike you ride. You can see here, you've got Gold Wing sitting in line. Just come out supporting Wounded Warrior Project. Drop a donation. Also, I'll include that link down below. Decided to come out here to just kind of catch a glimpse of what was going on with Adam's Great American Convoy.
Well, I'm hanging out with Gears and Gadgets here at Roadrunner Harley Davidson in Arizona. He showed up to support us in the Great American Convoy, which is, you see all these bikes behind me? We're riding across America every single day for 3 weeks straight, coast to coast across America, visiting Harley Davidson dealerships, raising awareness and money for the Wounded Warrior Project. And one person who shows up and scans the QR code, costs you nothing, could take home a brand new 2025 Harley Davidson. And that could be you.
Hopefully it is. And just so you guys know, I got a whole bunch of truck people, side-by-sides. I'm all over the place. You don't have to have a Harley Davidson to come out here. There's actually a bunch of Gold Wings sitting out here.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter who you are, what you're doing. Drive your truck in here. Come support the cause.
Sure.
He's got his brand new Road Glide that he is just hammering down miles on. He's got quite a bit of work done to this. Carbon fiber everywhere, of course. Got his name on everything now. He's got the accessories, which is super cool. It's a real nice riser setup here, actually. Kraus. He's got his Sandoval Kraus risers, the Sandoval bag. This man knows how to market for sure, but most importantly, he's doing it all for a good cause, and that's something that I've always really loved about Adam and what he's doing is just like really bringing attention to, you know, veterans and supporting veterans through everything he does. So, you know, we've just got just a slew of motorcycles out here, and we are actually leaving from Roadrunner Harley Davidson and heading down to Chandler to just carry on the convoy. And I decided I'm gonna come out here, ride for the day, another Gold Wing. So yeah, old school. Actually, handful of Gold Wings. I actually like this color quite a bit. This like army green, it's pretty dope. So take a look and see if he's gonna be in town. Go out there, visit, it's really cool. I mean, honestly, I hate dealership events. I think that you know, the whole Harley Davidson thing where it's like you go to the dealership and have hot dogs and hang out there. It's like, I've always had a problem with that because I just feel like dealerships are meant to sell you things, not necessarily be your best friend. But this is different, and you know, you can see here just bikes on bikes, and also able to get a shot of Adam with my 3497 plate, which is something I've wanted to do for a long time. I've been rocking that ever since coming back from the Bring It Home ride, which was I think in 2019, was something that was just like really awesome for me to do. Adam was kind of one of the inspirations back in like the heyday of YouTube, 2018 to 2020, around 2018, when I bought my 2018 Heritage. That was kind of like the heyday of YouTube, and Adam with his just buy the damn bike was a big reason why I did. So, you know, just out here kind of supporting the cause.
And this is indeed what this ride is for. It's for the Wounded Warrior Project and our veterans. And listen, there's a lot of veterans out there struggling with injuries that you can't see when they walk in the room. And the real injuries taking lives. And it's very important that we acknowledge that and that we do our part to help fight that. Every one of you who showed up here today helped us fight that. In fact, at this stop alone, we raised $1,886.
Let's go!
100% of that money you guys donated is going to the Wounded Warrior Project to find its way to help veterans that need it every day. So you all deserve it. Thank yourselves and each other for taking the time out of your busy Saturday. You could be doing anything, but you're choosing to be out here with us, trying to make a difference on this blazing hot Saturday afternoon. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate that.
So I do enjoy getting a chance to come out and do this kind of stuff, and doing it for a good cause is even better. I mean, Adam has kind of devoted like his whole life towards this Wounded Warrior Project. Actually, not Wounded Warrior Project particularly, but he has really kind of devoted himself to raising money for the troops, and I think that's an amazing thing. So let's ride on out from the West Valley on over to Chandler Scorpion Harley Davidson. Back in the day, I say back in the day, it wasn't that long ago, but 2018, I bought this Heritage, and shortly thereafter, Adam put out that call for the world record breaking Harley Davidson parade. And I just talked to my wife and was like, hey, I think I want to head out and go and do that. She was like, go for it. I ended up just riding out solo to the upper northeast corner of Texas, and I'll tell you, from Phoenix, that is a hike and a half. But you know, I did it, went out there, did that Harley Davidson parade. That's why I have 3497 on my license plate for my motorcycle, because 3,497 motorcycles showed up for that world record breaking attempt, which was pretty rad. It's a dope Road King there. He puts down miles like nobody else. So again, if you guys are out, you know, and you take a look at his schedule, like dealerships that he's going to be at, like I said, you don't have to even own a bike. Just go out, stop in, say hi, drop some donation down to Adam Sandoval. I actually just donated myself, which anybody who's following the channel knows that I'm unemployed. YouTube unexpectedly kind of became my full-time job prematurely, and I am absolutely not swimming in money right now, but I did drop $100 to the cause because I think it's important to do so, and that's kind of the whole point. A lot of people like to not talk about, and Adam actually mentioned this, like what they do for charity or how much they donate, because they feel like it's self-serving. But as Adam has kind of pointed out in the past, like actually bringing awareness to it and talking about it can actually inspire others to donate as well. And I think that's important to realize. Oh, this is the dude I saw in Adam's video.
Over 100,000 miles, flipped to death. Somewhere down the line between Border Patrol and Highway 10, saddlebag came off. Lost a good pair of boots.
His bike is also blowing out a bunch of smoke, man. Yo, this guy's got something going on.
That vacuum drains line?
Oh, gotcha. Okay. But knowing you'd lost the bag, I was thinking maybe something was getting into the rubber of the tire or something.
No, that's why I don't use that rear brake. I lost a good pair of cowboy boots.
What's the name of the channel?
Rhonda the Rebel.
Rhonda the Rebel.
Yeah.
Just started YouTube today, and my advice is do not stop.
Doing this by the grown folks, 60 and above.
I'm 42, so I feel like I'm doing it for the grown folks also.
Absolutely.
It's like so cool coming out to these events. Like I just met this Rhonda the Rebel. She's just started up a YouTube channel. Today's her first video. So go check out that channel. I mean, I just love the whole YouTube scene. The fact that anybody can pick up a camera and kind of make this like a pretty cool thing that they do. And that's super rad, man. And that's what this is all about. It's just like meeting up with cool people doing cool things, having a good time doing it. That dude with that road glide that was throwing smoke, like, brother is just spewing oil. Let's roll into Scorpion Harley Davidson and see what they got going on there. I'm assuming there's going to be a bunch of people here today. What do they got going on here?
So we made it out here to Scorpion Harley Davidson, and that was just a great ride. Honestly, just so many bikes showed out for this. A ton of people out here raising money for the Wounded Warrior Project. Adam Sandoval is just absolutely crushing it. So want to say thank you to Adam for doing all that you do for the veterans and raising money, raising awareness, all of the good things that come with these kinds of rides. So just bikes as far as the eye can see. And this is Scorpion Harley Davidson out here in Chandler, Arizona. And after this, they are going to be heading out to Apache Junction is the next stop. And if you guys are out there and you're riders, or like I said, you're just want to stop by and see, they have a whole list of all of their stops where you're going to be able to find them and come and drop some support for the Wounded Warrior Project. Just a really cool day, and just happy to be able to get out here spend a little time doing something for a great cause. With that said, thank you guys very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. See you guys next time.